swimming in a volcano, watching a volcano under the tropical sunlight. No chemtrails today, huh? Maybe that's why I've been feeling the best I have in the Laguna de Apoyo. But guess what? We're leaving today. And I'm kinda glad about it. I mean, the nature here, like, this is fucking amazing. This is the best here at the Laguna de Apoyo. But something has been tickling my spidey senses. This is probably the best I have felt today. And it's the day I'm leaving. Maybe it just took this much time for Mr. Base Science to adapt to the volcanic caldera. Maybe the magnetic flux from the volcano was something I need to adapt. But my spidey senses have been tickling over here. Look at that bird. And I've not been feeling as good as I felt in the Great Corn Islands or in the Ometepe or in the most places in Costa Rica. But still I've been feeling pretty good. Like, my tan is the best it's ever been. My whole body tan, if you know what I mean. Also, when I come to the Laguna, I come to fucking ground and swim on this volcano like this. I feel fucking good, and the sunlight obviously makes me feel fucking good. But something is being a little bit off here. Maybe it's some man-made bullshit. Maybe it's my own freaking problem. Who knows? Would be interesting to check the readings with the EMF meters. Like, how's the freaking readings up in the area I lived. But one thing I can say about this is the nature is awesome. There's a lot of wildlife, a lot of jungle. It kind of reminds me of Costa Rica in that. Now it's the dry season though, so it's a little bit more dry. When I was in Costa Rica, everything was just like super green because it was the rainy season. But you can see monkeys here, you can see all kinds of birds here, you can see iguanas, all that, and that's fantastic. So the nature is very nice here. But like I said, there's not many places here, like it's not very touristy. Like, I think some of the Nicaraguans, for example, like this restaurant over here, only people I've seen there is Nicaraguans, other Nicaraguans. Not much gringos here, and like it's not that touristy place, so there's not that many options for accommodations to stay. I wouldn't really recommend this accommodation just because I didn't feel my best here. Although not that bad, but just not the best. And that's probably due to some man-made bullshit, non-native EMF bullshit. That's my best guess. That's how it felt to me. And it kind of makes sense if you look at the place. So, if you come here, you can come here to check it yourself. I would do 1 week here maybe, or even less. But I was here 1 week and I'm kinda ready to move on from the place. I would not base myself out of Laguna de Apoyo. Although, well, that's not here or there. Anyway, there's not many places to find good food here at the Laguna de Apoyo. They have like these little small shops here that you can get pretty good fruits and pretty good eggs and water and that kind of stuff, but you don't find meats here or anything like that. I didn't go any of the restaurants here, so I cannot say anything about the quality of the restaurants. But the good thing is it's very close by to Granada, and it's also very close by to Masaya. And both of those places are very good for food. Like, very, very good. You can find pretty much anything you need. I went to Masaya from here because there's a direct bus to Masaya, and I haven't been in Masaya. So one day out of the week I went to Masaya to get some food, and I actually found the first supermarket I have found in Nicaragua. Like, this was the first supermarket I went to in about over 2 months. And when I was doing my thing over there, I just realized this is one of the main reasons why everything sucks in most man-made countries today. These fucking centralized supermarkets. It is so much nicer, it is so much better to just go to the markets where everybody's selling their own shit that they grow or somebody in their family grows or some of their business partners grows. But everybody has their little shop going on, and you can just go around and shop around instead of this whole big monopolized, centralized, air-conditioned, artificial blue-lidden supermarket where you can find all the bullshit you need. Super convenient, but also takes the humanity, the soul out of the shit. I have really fell in love with Nicaragua in that you just go shop around with these little different shops that people have. It's so nice, it's so decentralized, it's so much more human experience, so much better. I love that about Nicaragua. But in Masaya they had one supermarket, and I didn't find anything that I couldn't find in the freaking hundreds or thousands of little shops people have in the markets or in the streets or whatever. So for food you have to go to Granada or Masaya, but it's no big deal. It takes about 15, 20, 30 minutes to get to Granada or Masaya. And then you can do your whole thing there and come back here. And you can do that once a week and be fine and enjoy the Laguna. But anyway, like I said, I'm done with the Laguna. It was fucking nice, but I'm not eagering to come back here anytime soon, like I am for the Great Corn Islands or Costa Rica or Ometepe. It was nice to see it, but I'm done with it. So let's move on. See you later, volcano. See you later. I will say this, the water here at the Laguna is super clear. It's super nice. Like, this is the best part about the Laguna and the nature that is surrounding it. But yeah, subscribe. Best science channel on YouTube. Best science experiment the world has ever seen. See you later, alligators. Bye.